Hello, my name is Bogdan. I'm a software engineer, and for the past couple of years I've been building various startups. Today I want to introduce you to my new tool, my new software as a service. It is an online directory builder platform. It has some AI capabilities, and I will show you today how to use them. So we will be building my personal homepage where I will be sharing my experiences, my road, what challenges I have met, and what I have learned. So let's navigate to the control panel. I already have some directories, and let's create a new one. So my name is Bogdan, surname is Shulha, and let's name it as Bogdan's homepage. I will not upload any kind of logo or favicon right now because I don't have any, so let's just hope it will not look ugly. So create the directory. Nice. We have got our new directory created, and let's see what we have. We have the directory properties, directory entities, the categories, listings, we have some blog, we have some custom content pages, site components, which I will show you a little bit later, and we have various system settings like custom domain configuration or AI tuning custom prompts. So as we have created our directory, its name is Shulha homepage or Shulha homepage. Let's visit and see what we have already. So each directory you create on the platform will get its own free domain name, actually subdomain with the name of directory, and make dir.site. Let's visit it. And voila, we have an empty, who would have guessed, empty directory. So blog is empty as well. Let's change this situation. So first of all, I would love to add the tool that I use every time I need to record something for me, for myself, for my colleagues, for you guys. It is Screen Studio. It is an excellent piece of software. It is easy to use and extremely simple. This is not the advertisement, sorry. This is just my own feelings. So I'm really excited using this software. So let's navigate to the control panel. Let's create the first category on my directory and name it the tools I use. Slack currently is not automatically generated, but it will be fixed pretty soon. Tools I use. The tools I use daily in my work. And let's see what happens. So we have created a category. We could have been adding some subcategories, etc. But right now I don't need any of those. Let's see what changed on our side. Okay, so now we have a single category, tools I use, which is of course empty. Let's add the Screen Studio. Navigate to the control panel, to the listings page, and click the new listing. Okay, so the software name is Screen.studio. I have a link here, so I'm copying this link, and just as a secret, you can put your affiliate link and get some money as well. So this is usually the way that directories use to get some profits. And I will copy the description from the website, and I will copy it as a content as well. Okay, and here it will be just a string, and here it will be H2. So the category, the tools I use, and upload the logo. I have already saved the logo. Oh, I have not saved the logo. Let's save it. Save images. Logo transparent. Okay. Upload the logo. Yay. Upload process went well. And let's create the listing. So we see our listings and Screen Studio appeared. And let's take a look how it looks like on the website. Nice. So currently we are in the category tools I use, obviously. And now we see the Screen Studio. Let's navigate to the Screen Studio page. And basically we see everything I have put into the form. So we can visit the website. We can see the description that I have put here. We can see the tool name, and we can navigate back to the category. Okay, that's fine. So basically, this is how you build your directories. You create categories, you create subcategories, and you just put the listings into those categories. Of course, this is slightly more complex than I just described, because you have to do your own keyword research. You have to know what kind of directory you want to get, what you will be listing, how will you get money, either with ads or with some paid like publications, etc. So this is a very big hard work done prior you create actual directory. So as we have created our first listing, let's do something with empty blog post. Empty blog post page. So let's navigate to our posts and create the new post. So I will be using the AI agent. I have some AI credits left, and I want to write about what is the solopreneurship, because for the last couple of years I have started being one. I think so. I didn't get high revenue right now yet, but I'm doing and working hard to do this. So please describe what is the solopreneurship. Okay, it will generate the title, subtitle, and blog post content for me. Oh, it's quick. It's quick. So basically everything you see right now is the ChatGPT, which has processed my input, and it tries to create really well-looking blog posts, and I've strived them to be not only like SEO optimized and bring some search traffic, but also useful for my customers, my users, and my friends. So each time I create a blog post, I usually improve it with AI a couple of times by entering the new prompt. Usually I put some text on my own, etc., so that this is not some AI bullshit. This is the real and useful information. So for now, let's keep it as is, because this is just a demo. And also, once you have done your editing, you may want to look at some recommendations. And we have to pick the publication date. Publication date, it is today at midnight. Okay, let's just imagine that this blog post is something of useful. Okay, and create the blog post. Nice. The blog post is published, and let's see how it looks like. Yes, so we have got our first blog post, and it looks pretty nice from the typography level, but I don't know anything about the contents, because you have seen that it was created just in a few seconds. Usually those blog posts are pretty good and require not so much iterations, not so many iterations to improve them and extract some useful information, but I prefer to do this. Okay, so we have the homepage. I don't like it because this is not the usual directory website. This is going to be my personal homepage, so I want to make some kind of landing page for me. Let's navigate to content pages, and we have already created some system content pages like the blog index page, blog post page, the subcategories page or category details page, the listing page itself. You can edit any of those with the page builder that I will show you in a second. So I want to create a landing page. I will name it as home. Solopreneur and indie hacker. And let's copy this into the meta description. So open our page builder And on the left, you will see a set of predefined components. On the right, you will be seeing the page structure, and the UX is pretty simple. You just drag and drop the components. And you see you have got a pretty nice hero section with any like complex coding or something else. Free during beta, welcome to my new site. Let's fill in some information. Let's put it here, about have, and subtitle, the solopreneur and indie hacker. So I can change the call to action text. Let it be book a call, and let it be towards the secondary one, see my work. Okay, what else? I can add the questions section here. I can add some pricing table for example, for consultancies. So you can add as many cards as you want or remove ones. Change any text, any subheadings, etc. You can also construct your like own blocks using headings, paragraphs, etc. So it is like easy to use yet powerful, which will allow you to create like any page you need to drive your business. Also, you can embed the YouTube videos or some custom HTML, and everything will work just like out of the box. For now, let's just save the page and see how it looks like. So let's copy the /home and from the my website /home. Nice. So now you see that everything that I have drag and dropped is displayed right here. So my name, the solopreneur and indie hackers here, the buttons have changed, and everything that I have just randomly dragged in is displayed here as well. So I want it to be my homepage, my actual homepage, and I don't want to see the list of categories because this is my personal homepage and not personal directory page. Okay, so let's navigate to control panel and to site components. So here you can edit, for example, site header, add, remove links, add some call to action with nice preview right here. So you don't have to jump back and forth from website to control panel to see what happened. But for now, I'm interested in changing the content, the homepage of my website. So by default, it will display the categories index page, basically all the categories with recent additions, recent listings. But I want it to be my page that I have just created. So select that I want the content page and select the exact page I need and save changes. So changes are saved. Let's navigate to website, click home or refresh the page. And voila, now I have pretty nice looking but still useless, I have to fix all the text right here, homepage, and it is fairly good start for being for having some representation on the internet. So when you create directories, you will do exactly the same. By the way, let's add the link to header. Just you will be focusing on directories and not on your own personality. So I want to add categories page to the header. Categories, and I just know that the categories is the browse page. So you may see that new link appears here. I can reorder it and save site header. So let's see what's changed. And I see that categories are displayed. I can put the direct link to the tools I use because I am not going to have like lots of categories, but this is going to be your homework to experiment, and I would really appreciate any feedback you can give me. So what to do next? Go to makeadir.com, create your own free directory, fill up the listings, create your own landing page. By the way, the makeadir.com, the software service landing page, is built itself in this page builder. So everything you see here is achievable with the page builder that I have shown you. There are not too many components right now, but I am continuously adding new ones by users' requests or by my own needs. So soon it will be just super amazing. And let's keep in touch and share your feedback in comments. Bye bye.